Hello friends, I hope you're doing great. We're here with a tutorial on how to register with the Capitalcore broker from the Tradingfinder website. So, from the review section, we go to the binary option brokers section and select Capitalcore from the available brokers. By clicking on the Go to Website option, you'll enter the official website of this broker. On this page, click on the Register Now option. You will enter the registration process in this broker. In this section, you will enter your first name, last name, email, password, and password confirmation. We recommend using uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. After entering this information, you click on the Sign Up option. And as you can see, an email has been sent to you to activate your account. An email has been sent to the address you entered. You need to check this message. And verify your email by clicking on the Active Account option. Well, your account has been successfully activated. After entering your email and password, you can log into your account. And as you can see, you are on the main page of your user dashboard. In the upcoming videos, we will teach you how to verify your account and make deposits and withdrawals using various methods. Stay with us for more tutorials. Goodbye.